Hey, how you doing? 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦 here. It's a privilege and honour to connect with you at such a time as this. A word of encouragement in terms of you and your business. You might be waiting for the perfect equipment. You might be waiting for the sexiest product to pop up on the market for you to run with and make loads of money with. You might be waiting for somebody to say, you are ready, you can do it. I don't know what it is you're waiting for, but I tell you this. The time's now in order for you to get started to do what you know you should be doing, and what will happen is you will progress on the journey. It's about taking that first step, stepping out, doing it, and then you just keep on doing it. There's going to be some trappings, there's going to be some challenges on the way, because that's life. But in life, you will get lemons thrown at you. You just need to learn how to make lemonade. It's all part of the journey, going through that refinement stage, for you to become a higher version of yourself, right? So I'm just giving you this push right now. I don't know what your plans are, I don't know what your dreams are, I don't know what your goals are. You can have these things written down and made plain. However, if you don't take that initial step, faith without works is dead. You've got to take that first step in order to get feedback. There's no such thing as failure, just feedback. Just consider everything feedback, and then you can refine the progress. You can see what's working, you can see what's not working, you can see what you need to get rid of, you can see what you need to keep. And that's the only way you're going to succeed, is by stepping forward and doing things. How many more years, how much more time are you going to stay in that space and say, oh well, you know, I want to do this, I know what things will look like if I don't start, I know what my life's going to look like if I don't actually believe that it's going to happen. Believing is good, but with that belief you've got to put corresponding action on that belief in order to get results. It's just the reality of it. I went through a phase once where I was buying all of the latest stuff, saying to myself, yeah, that's going to make me become a great person in the space of business, or as a speaker, as a teacher, as an affiliate marketer. I was buying the latest this, the latest that. I wasn't taking action. I was procrastinating, and all I could see was all of these things building up around me, to the point where it was like, what are you doing with yourself, Kev? Come on. Are you about this or are you not? And I did take a knockdown a few years back. I was struck with bacterial meningitis, I was in a coma. I had to find my way again. So I did go through a challenge, a near-death experience, but I had to bounce back from that, and I'm super thankful to the Most High for my life, that I'm here to share the story and to continue on this journey. But that was just a reality check, like, you know, life's but a vapour. The rug can get pulled from under your feet at any time. But when you've got something that you really believe in, something that you're passionate about, that's kind of like fuel to keep you going, fuel for the fire, something to live for, something to hope for, something to die for. Life takes on a whole new meaning when you're living by purpose. So I encourage you to just start that thing. I don't know what that thing is, but I encourage you to start it. Start it, just start. If you're not happy about where you are, then be the change that you want to see in this world. Start the thing. I'm connected to some awesome people. I'm connected to people from all different types of the world that are thinking the same stuff, with the same mindset, that want to aspire and do great things. And we all are doing amazing things in that space. You are more than welcome to join us. Take a look at what we're doing. My details are inside of this page somewhere. You can have a look. You can go into my bio or wherever. You can find a link. The link will take you directly to the same services that I went through myself personally. So I'm big on helping people become better people. And if I can find any systems, formulas, strategies, tips, then I'm about sharing that information with others, because there's plenty of room up the top. So I encourage you to just start the thing. Okay, that's it from me, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦, believing in you. Bye.